our environment. Dear students, last week we have learnt the lesson our environment, and the topics we have learnt: forest, plains, hills. Today we are going to learn about pond, lake, river. P-O-N-D, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. R-I-V-E-R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. L-A-K-E, lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Suleiman said, I would like to speak about the pond in my village. A pond is a place where water collects. It gets filled by rain. Fishes. What is the spelling of fish? F-I-S-H, fish. Insects. What is the spelling of insect? I-N-S-E-C-T, insect. I-N-S-E-C-T, insect. Snakes. What is the spelling of snake? S-N-A-K-E, snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Frogs. F-R-O-G, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Crabs. What is the spelling of crab? C-R-A-B, crab. C-R-A-B, crab. And turtles. What is the spelling of turtle? T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. Live in a pond. Flowers like water lily. What is the spelling of water lily? W-A-T-E-R, water, L-I-L-Y, lily, water lily. And lotus. What is the spelling of lotus? L-O-T-U-S, lotus. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Are also found in ponds. A lake is bigger than a pond. Lake is a large body of water within a body of land, as lake is separated from the ocean. It is not a sea. Some lakes are very big. They do not flow like a river. So here Suleiman says about a pond nearby his village. How the pond is formed? It is the collection of rainwater. And what all the things is available in the pond? Yes, fishes, insects and turtles, as well as you can find some beautiful flowers like lotus and water lily. When comparing with pond, lakes are bigger in size. So down you can see, draw the fish as given below and color it. You can see the picture how it is drawn. You try by yourself and do it. Now Sultana tells about her place. Sultana said, I live near a river. I love to watch the river flowing. It starts its journey on a mountain, follows a path, and finally flows into the sea. Sultana said, I live near a river. I love to watch the river flowing. It starts its journey on a mountain, follows the path, and finally flows into the sea. You can see in the picture how the water is flowing from the mountains and moving towards the sea. We use river water in many ways. Because of this, in olden days, people lived near rivers. Many kinds of fishes, crabs, and birds live in and around the river. Sometimes boat races are also held in the river. My brothers like to participate in the boat races. We use river water in many ways. Because of this, in olden days, people lived near rivers. R-I-V-E-R, river. Let us repeat again. R-I-V-E-R, river. C S-E-A-C, S-E-A-C. P-A-T-H, path. P-A-T-H, path. Boat race. Boat race. B-O-A-T, boat. R-A-C-E, race. Shall we repeat again? B-O-A-T, boat. R-A-C-E, race. Boat race. Salty. S-A-L-T-Y, salty. S-A-L-T-Y, salty. Now the assignment time. Your assignment is match the following. Match the following. A. Desert. B. Plain. C. Forest. D. Pond. And the options are lion, camel, fish, cow. You need to select the correct option and do the matching. The second one, true or false. Write T if true and F if false. A. Step farming is done in the hills. B. The horse is called the sheep of the desert. C. Lions and tigers are found in the forest. D. A forest has sand dunes. The next one, put a tick in the suitable box. So here you need to choose the correct option and put tick, yes or no. River water is salty. Kattumaram is used for fishing. A river starts from a sea. Fish live only in river. Turtles live in the sea. River water is used for farming. So dear students, I would like to appreciate you all for completing your assignment. So study well, do well and take care. We'll meet in the next class.